What's the meaning of asymmetric bars? Asymmetric bars. Asymmetric bars.
Asymmetric bars. Asymmetric bars. Asymmetric bars are a piece of equipment used in artistic gymnastics. They consist of two horizontal bars that are set at different heights, with one bar positioned higher than the other. This design allows for a variety of complex and dynamic movements to be performed, including swings, releases, and transitions between the bars. Gymnasts use their upper body strength, coordination, and balance to execute stunning routines on the asymmetric bars, often incorporating intricate twists and flips. The event is judged based on execution, difficulty, and artistry, making it one of the most challenging and prestigious events in gymnastics.